So this is a GLIDZ Japanese 100% custom made suit from Japan, now available in Australia. So when you open up a GLIDZ wetsuit, first thing you'll notice is you have stitching on the outside, and then when you go to the inside of the suit, some panels will have a stitch on the inside and outside, and others will have stitching only on the outside. Obviously, not having stitching on the inside reduces rash and anything conflicting to the body, and having the double stitch through running along this seam gives you extra strength through the strenuous part of the wetsuit that's getting stretched out of place most of the time. We also have on all the corners of where the strenuous points of the suit, we have these silicone seals, silicone knee pads. These are custom built to fit the knee, and they've got great movement, they're only 1 mil, they've got extra traction there. All the logos are made up of silicone finish, so they don't crack and they've got full stretch, so there's no restrictions to the suit. Same thing there. This is the hybrid thermo chest and back panel, and it's got great flexibility. As you can see, it's got like a little core through the material there, which through those little hexagon circles is where the water will sit, which will give you an extra 30 to 50% warmth through your chest and back. A Japanese 2 mil suit would be almost as warm as an international 3x2 suit. So a Japanese 3x2 suit will be getting closer to 4.3, and a Japanese 3x3 suit will be almost or warmer than a 4.3. The way a wetsuit in Japan and what we design is the wetsuit will move with the body the way it wants to move. All neoprene is moving in the direction that the body will move. There's no excess neoprene just added to fill in the spots. It's all 100% designed to where the way the body will move in the surf. This is a 3.3 steamer. Most are used in Bells or Victoria or somewhere in the colder regions. The entire suit has the hybrid thermal material added to the suit, so it goes all the way down to the bottom of your legs and comes up under the arms, and it doesn't absorb water, so you won't be having this super heavy luggy suit on you. It'll be super fresh and light and flexy. We offer our customers 25 different colour options, and we've got a YKK zip. You can choose what thickness wetsuit you want, what colour you want, what colour stitching you want, where you want your thermal and extra heated panels, and whether you want a back zip or a front zip or back zip with a barrier. Every option is available. Everyone in the world knows how good Japanese wetsuits are. It's just up until now no one's been able to try it. This is your opportunity to try a GLIDZ wetsuit and see how good they are. So come and check out our website, and it's an easy way to order something new.
You know what I said? Big shout out to the 262. Oh my God.